Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday. I hope you're having a great day, the start of a great week. Easter was good. Easter's on its way out. I hope you had a good Easter weekend. You went to church, if you were with friends, chosen family, whatever you did, I hope you had a great time. I had a really nice time. I went to a winery yesterday with my friend, and we do a wine tasting called Cooper's Hawk. I'm just shout out right now in Arlington Heights, Illinois. They did a great job, but I order these egg rolls. You're going to see right now. I order these every single time because I love them. I love the Asian slaw that's in it. Well, they brought it to the table this time, and Anthony was our server. He's awesome. We've known him for a little while. And they changed the recipe. Leave it alone. I even told leave it alone. They outsourced the egg rolls now, the restaurant, and instead of using chicken breast, they're using ground chicken. And they look smaller to me. They weren't like the usual, like really, for what you're paying for them, really high class kind of egg rolls, if there's such a thing. So just a little bummed. I wrote a review. They know how I felt. Everything was great. I love the place. Very, very nice, very up class. But yeah, just bummed. If something's working, leave it alone. So anyway, it's a new week ahead. All things are going well. Sorry to hear the Pope Francis passed away. So to all my Catholic friends out there in the community, I know some people were not happy with me. A few that I posted quotes from the Pope today, being a gay man. Well, I have to tell you, he was the people's Pope, and he made some really good quotes and really brought the community together, and I value that. I really, really value that. So my heart goes out to the Catholic community, and I hope they have another Pope that's even more inclusive and loving and wraps his arms around the whole world. So there you go. It smells awesome in here in my apartment today. I follow this guy called the Barefoot Chef on TikTok. I believe he's on YouTube and Instagram as well. Great guy, funny, no holds barred, gay man, married, wonderful. He does a lot of stuff in the crock-pot cooking and things like that. And he's actually has a couple of cookbooks, and one is called Keep It Simple, y'all. And it's on you can find it on Amazon, all over. But you got to watch this guy. He's really good. Well, he was doing a recipe like a couple weeks ago with cube steak and French onion soup and potatoes and different things. And what else was in there? French onion soup mix, all sorts of stuff. So I thought, that looks kind of damn good. I'm going to make that. So that's in the crock pot today. And I threw some mushrooms in there that were on sale, so I kind of made it my own. And a little bit of Gregor seasoning, of course. So that will be done about 5:30 today. And I have to tell you, it smells really great in here right now. So looking forward to my meal. That I don't have to fuss or do anything later or prep. It's all ready to go. So shout out to the barefoot, or the barefoot. Is that right? The Barefoot Neighbor. I got to look at this real quick. Yeah, the Barefoot Neighbor. Yeah, the recipe is cooking away. So thank you for that. Lectures are coming up. I'm booking for June. You need a guest lecturer to come to your corporation, company, or event, your pride event, no matter where you're at. I'm going full-fledged, raising the voice of the marginalized communities and everybody around allies, and talking about intersectionality and everything right here. GregRBear.com. Look me up. I'm working on a new reel today, and that'll be out on the interwebs. But been a frustrating last few months with the good old in the office and not doing much at all, nothing for the LGBTQ+ community, along with so many others. So it's my work, it's what I'm doing, I love. So get me out there, let me raise some spirits and help people, and just engage with one another and motivate. We all need that. So look me up. That's what I'm doing. So yeah, and if you can hear, I'm still suffering this congestion and cold. It's week 2 now, and not feeling real pretty. So the weather's been so flip-floppy. Today is like a little cooler, sun's kind of coming out here and there, but it is what it is. So I am taking care of myself. I'm doing this disgusting thing called sinus rinse. Have you ever used that thing? Yeah, it's where all the gook comes out of your nose after you shoot water than this saline stuff in your nose. Yeah, very attractive. So on that note, subscribe. Subscribe, like, and share. Please follow me. My numbers have been low lately for my videos, so I'm trying to find ways to engage more people. So, I do what I do, and I love what I do. So share it with other people and like it. I love you to pieces. Have a great Monday. I'll see you this week. And be well. All right? Get out. Enjoy yourself. Bye, everybody.